demonstration I will show you how I painted a portrait in watercolor. I use lemon yellow, yellow ochre, raw sienna. It's very important that you don't hang around too much to one point. It's the whole thing that has to grow at the same time. And maybe you think, well, this is far darker than the finished portrait. You will see how I do that. And continue this splash of water going down. You see me wiping off the edge of some parts of the hair. I'm already preparing the connection of soft hair, where the hair meets the background. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Well, it's not really a mistake, but you can easily correct things. The paper is not really, my watercolor paper is not really the highest quality, but I wanted to show you that even with cheaper stuff you can have good results. And because of the shirt has nothing to do with likeness, I can make more playful movements there as a sort of handwriting. For the darkest values of the eyes, I make a mixture of phthalo blue and Hooker's green, some crimson and cadmium red light. So you see this shaky lines. Sometimes people think that it happened by accident. No, I really did it on purpose because I don't want a perfect shape of the glasses. For the very lightest highlights I use a knife, a small medical knife with surgical blades. So you see it's nice and flat. So this is the portrait.